Welcome to 7394 Dominica Drive, located in Brownsville, Texas. What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me once again for another property tour. Today, we're going to be looking at this farm-style 3-bed, 2.5-bathroom home with a list price of $454,500. We're going to be taking a quick look at the guest rooms and their closets. Both of these rooms do share a full bath with a shower tiled to the ceiling. Your kitchen and living area are illuminated with an abundance of natural light that offers a warm and welcoming ambiance. This home sits on almost half an acre of land that you can enjoy from your oversized outdoor covered patio. You'd think the highlight of your kitchen might be your quartz countertop kitchen island, but check out the size of this pantry. As we enter the mudroom laundry area, I just want to say this home was one of the most fun home tours I've done so far. The design of the home, split floor plan, modern interior, blended with the farm style, combines for such a unique look in today's market. Keeping all of this in mind, do you think it's worth the $454,000 price tag? Let me know in the comments below. Entering your primary bedroom, make note that you have not one, not two, but 3 primary closets. Now for your primary bathroom, featuring a double vanity sink top, private commode, and this beautiful walk-in shower freestanding tub combo, enough to satisfy even the most lavish taste. Thank you guys for joining me on this property tour. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, and as always, God bless. If you guys want to stay up to date with me, please follow me on socials, on TikTok and Instagram at realtor Matthew Lopez, and I'm also now on Twitter/X at Matthew1Lopez.